this is Mike, back with another video. Today is on my new Generac I got for Christmas. Thank you to my wife, my brother, and my mom. So, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I haven't opened it up yet. I was waiting for the video. So let's go ahead and start with it. Now this is a generator, it's an inverter. So, let's see, let's open this bad boy up real quick. Okay, let's slice this bad boy. Be careful, don't slice towards me. There you go. Alright. Okay, got the instruction manual. Got everything in there. So I'll make sure everything in there. Alright, so you just got your manual and your warranty policy. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, this is the oil. I think so what it is, yep. So, what comes with this is, you got a funnel for the oil. I think this is the little thing for the battery. You plug it in, yep, that's what it is. Pretty cool. Oh yeah. Little jump cables. I'm gonna put it into the inverter. Alright, look at this. Comes with a little tool set. A little socket. And I think it's a screwdriver. Yep, screwdriver. Comes with a little cool little screwdriver, a little straight head Phillips, flip it around, whichever one you need to use at the time. So let's put that back in there for a moment until I get ready to start up. Okay, now this is the oil. This is a 10W30 engine oil, Generac. So, good thing about this too is you put this whole thing inside of it because this is the right amount that goes inside the generator. So put that in there. It'll be easy, I don't have to worry about measurements, nothing like that. Okay, and nothing in that bad boy. Put that on the ground. Okay, what I'm gonna do is because I ain't too tall. I'm going to put this bad boy down in here. Alright. Woo, that big boy. This is the big boy. Alright, so we got it out of the box. Let's get off this plastic out of the way. Little beads everywhere. Okay. So alright, so I got it out of the box. It's a nice size. I really didn't think it was this big. I thought it was a little bit smaller than. It's a little heavy too. But it's a nice size. It will do the job. So let's go over the thing. What it's all about. Take this little paper off real quick. This is perfect timing. I got a couple details this weekend. A couple condos that I don't have power for. So, it'll be a lot easier for me to use power now. I'll have to use a lot of extension cords to connect to the power source I was going to. Alright. So, this is a 1700 running watts, 2200 starting watts. 2-year warranty, 80cc. Oil's included, like I said earlier. It's a quiet inverter power, true power technology. Compact and lightweight. Start dial. Yeah, so it has, like I said, it has a start dial, has a choke, run, stop, ignition. It's a one simple to use dial. Alright. So let's check it out here. Okay. You got the little thing, that's where you put the little cigarette lighter in there. So this is a quiet, compact, easy use AC rated output running watts 1700, AC maximum output starting watts. True power technology provides clean, stable power, ideal for sensitive electronics, tools, and appliances. While the 1.2 gallon fuel tank allows 10.75 hours of runtime at 25% load. Built-in handle makes it easy to transport, which is pretty easy. Economy mode provides excellent fuel economy and noise reduction, while the LED status light alerts you on low oil and overload power. Parallel ready allows you to connect two inverters together for twice the power. So yeah, so what you can do is if you want to get another one, you can hook it up so you have double the power. But for what I need it for, this is all I need. Pretty cool. That comes with an extra cap thing. That's pretty cool. I think it does, doesn't it? Alright. Yes, I'm just seeing this, guys, on this video. So let's go ahead and take the side panel off. I'm going to put a little oil in it. Just going to do that. I'll do another video on the start video, but this is just the unboxing. So, let's get that. Now this thing's really, really nicely made. How's this fucking thing come open? Alright. Got all those little things that came in the packing box. So yeah. Let's go ahead and show you what this is about. And that was pretty easy. There's only 2 screws to take off the side. That's where you put the oil at. So let's set that to the side for a second. So yeah, so this is it's a pretty nice machine. You can tell it's well built. And this is if you can't afford the Honda 2200, this would be the perfect size machine to get. I think I bought it for, I think it was $700, but I got it on sale from Amazon. It was $535. Oh yeah, bad boy. So let's go ahead and put some oil in this bad boy real quick. So let's, I don't want to spill no oil over on the table. My wife's table, she'll be a little mad at me, so let's put this underneath here. That's all, don't forget, put the oil in there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start filling up the oil. I noticed too, it came with the extra gas cap. It was on top of this little slot right here. With nothing, that's where you take out and get the plug. But yeah, I got an extra cap. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if it comes with the extra cap or they just accidentally packed it in there. So let's put that back up there so I don't lose that. Alright, so let's go ahead and load this oil. Clean the dipstick off. This is an awesome machine, man. I love that. Can't wait to use it. Can't wait to use the bad boy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Alright. I'm gonna do it slowly. I'm just gonna pour a little bit at a time. You never want to go ahead and just pour the whole thing in there at once. You just want to slightly do it. Alright guys, so I got ahead and got the oil ready in there. So the next thing I'll do is I put the gas and let it run. Which that'll be a part 2. So which I'll do that tomorrow. I'll go part 2, I will put the gas in and start it up and let you guys hear how it runs. I'll test it out tomorrow, hook my vacuum up to it and do a car and just see if it does the job, which I'm sure it will. It's a bad boy. I'm just cleaning out my funnel, so make sure I know everything I got put in there. I always want to keep my tools. I'll put this stuff right here so I can take it with me and put it in my wife's gonna kill me. Got oil on the table. Okay, now let's go ahead and check this oil. Got it filled up. Let's check it for just the safety, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and put this, I'll make sure everything's cleaned up real good. Filled up to the top. Tippy, tippy, tippy top. Tippy, tippy. Alright, so let's put the thumb back on here. Make sure everything's all good. Make sure the screws are tight on there. So from the looks of it, man, it's a well-built machine. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some gas in it and start this thing up for the first time. The Generac 2200i. So put some gas in it. Alright, got the oil in it like I showed you earlier. A little bit of gas. I'm gonna put too much gas in it. Just a little bit to start it up. I just use this for my mobile detailing. Out here. Alright. Should be enough gas to start it up. There we go. Let's put some lid on it, bad boy. Okay, clean. I'll put a little gas on it. So yeah, start this bad boy up for the first time. We have there's a little cigarette lighter thing. Put 2 plugs into it. Economy mode is off. What else? You got USB little cable, which is pretty cool. And you got little plug-in for require special cables. Almost like a little cell phone plug-in, like the old school headphones. So you got 2 of those. You got 1 USB, I think it's one. You have 1 USB. Something's back in here. Alright, let's turn it on, put the choke on. I'll spray this one. Clean this up real quick. Got a little dirty, been sitting up there. Alright, start this bad boy up. Got the choke on. Turn on, okay. First pull, everything. First pull, first pull, choke, 1. Wow, that's crazy. Not even loud. Put on economy mode, so it's running. Green means it's running. Not loud. Put it on economy mode. That's an awesome generator. Highly recommend this. Quiet. Alright, so I got it on economy mode. Let's turn it on back off. It's economy. Difference in sound. Off economy. Economy. Let's go ahead and plug my buffer in. Plug in. let's get a close up of the buttons. So this is the plug. Turn this battery off. Alright, so right there's the choke, the off, run, choke. When I started up for my first time ever, first time I put the gas in it, I put on choke, started up first pull. In the economy, like I said, there's a USB, 12 volt. Do one more pull, let's end in this video. Alright guys, so I recommend this generator. You can buy the Honda 22, which is like $11.99, almost $1,200. You buy this, sometimes it's at $490, $500, depending on where you get it at. Amazon sells it for, I got this for $5.92 on Amazon. I recommend, awesome. So what's up? Put on run, one pull. Put on choke. Awesome. I can't complain. It's an awesome generator. You can't beat it for the price. I'm gonna use it a lot. In a month or 2 months, I'll do another review on this, how it works out in the field, detailing field, and everything like that. Alright guys, that's today's video. Remember, like and subscribe to Gobles Mobile Detailing. I'll have some badass videos coming on the way. Some badass cars, sickest cars. So again, remember, like and subscribe, hit the bell notification down on the bottom.